The AMD Ryzen 9600X is a mid-range processor that fits into the AM5 socket, making it compatible with the latest motherboards that support DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0. Here are some key specifications. Clock speed, base clock of 3.7 GHz, with potential boost clocks depending on the motherboard and cooling solution. Cores/threads, 6 cores and 12 threads, offering good multi-threaded performance for tasks like gaming and content creation. Process node, built on a 5nm process, which helps with efficiency and performance. L3 cache, 32 MB of L3 cache, which can improve performance in various applications. Integrated graphics. This particular model does not include integrated graphics, meaning a discrete GPU is necessary. Cooler. The package does not include a cooler, so you will need to purchase an aftermarket cooler compatible with the AM5 socket. Overall, the Ryzen 9600X is positioned as a cost-effective option for users looking for strong performance in gaming and productivity tasks.